We all know the struggle of making YouTube video is real. Writing script, shooting video, editing that video, it can get a little hectic sometimes. But you probably know by now that you can make YouTube video using AI very easily, right? But my question is it really worth making videos using AI and posting them on YouTube or not? So in this video, we're gonna take a deeper dive to solve the mystery and show how you can create those banger videos using only AI under 5 minutes. So the first step for you to know what kind of video you wanna make, like what's your niche. For me, I wanted to make love sleep stories, like story videos. So I came to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT one more time. Can you write me a 1000 words romantic love sleep story for adults? Because I wanna my video is aimed for adult. Now look, see, as you can see, like it's already like writing me a story, 1000-word story. So once it's done writing the story, all you gotta do is just copy the story. But I recommend you to like read the entire story so you know like what the story is about, right? And then go to RESEMBLE.AI. I'm gonna put all these links in the description, so check the description. Then create a free account, click on create, then paste your story right here. And then once you've done that, click here on the voices and then select whatever voice you want, like this one.
Father, be not troubled. I am here.
And then we have
Barney
Harry.
continued to study his reflection in the motel mirror.
And then we have,
I've seen the horrors. I'll keep pushing forward, no matter.
I mean, I can use this voice for like something like adventure story or like, you know. So once you have selected your voice, click here and then you can just download the audio fully, or you can download it separately, which is every part's gonna come in a separate audio file. For me, I'm gonna go with the full audio. So I'm gonna download the full audio just by clicking on it. And there you go, it's downloading. Once it's done downloading, just go to PICTORY and just create a free account here. If you already have an account, just click on login and then just click on this one, script to video. And now you need to like write your video's name. For me, I'm just gonna casually write love story. I'm gonna write love story for description as well. Now you need to choose a template based on your video. For me, I'm gonna go with this one. Looks nice. Continue. It's gonna take a little time. Now you can see they have already given you a scene. If you want, you can change it from visuals. You just need to search whatever scene you want in your video and you'll get it. Now once you selected your scene, for me, I'm gonna go with this one. Then come to audio, click on my upload, because we're gonna upload that voiceover file that we downloaded from RESEMBLE.AI. Then click here, just select your audio file and just upload. Once you upload your voiceover file, you're gonna get like two options: current scene and entire video. Current scene is like, if you want your video to have just one single scene, then just click on this one. If you want multiple shots in your video, then click on this one. Because what it does is it will analyze your voiceover file and PICTORY.AI is gonna select different scenes. For me, I just want one single big scene. So I'm gonna click on current scene. Now click here.
It was a warm summer night, and the moon was full and bright in the sky. The stars twinkled above.
I mean, it's okay, but as you can hear that rock music going in the background, and I don't want that. So to remove that, click on audio settings and just turn down the background music fully. Now let's hear it one more time.
It was a warm summer night, and the moon was full and bright in the sky.
Sounds pretty nice now. Now I want to add a different type of background music. So go on background music, click here. Now this one is already applied, the rock one, but I want something very soft and like relaxing. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one sounds pretty nice. So I already applied it. Now go back to the audio settings. Now increase the volume till 50. Let's hear.
It was a warm summer night, and the moon was full and bright in the sky. The stars twinkled above, casting a soft glow over.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Now if you want like text or like subtitle on your video, you can add those from here. But for me, I think I'm done with it. I'm happy how it is right now. So I'm just gonna click on generate video So once it's done generating your video, just simply click on download. But now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. So for that, you need to come to canva.com. I'll put the link in the description again, and just simply click on whiteboard. Now here, you need to upload your image. Like, let's say you take a screenshot of your video and just use that as a thumbnail, or you go online and search for a thumbnail like this one. Now you can add some text on it to make it more like stand out. Something like this maybe. So take your time to like create your thumbnail. Now just click on share and just click on download and just download. And there you go. Now the last step is just upload your video on your channel. And that is how you create an entire video using only AI under 5 minutes. Now the question is it worth posting AI created videos or not? Personally speaking, I think it's worth creating videos using AI at the beginning of your YouTube career, because it helps you to understand the process of creating YouTube video by suggesting your video ideas, writing script for you, editing your video for you, even helping you with posting your video on YouTube. So I think you should definitely give it a try, and I'm sure in the process you will learn something useful. And that is it for the video, guys. If you have learned anything from this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative videos like this.